Alright, so I'm just going to create this short tutorial just explaining how to get all of these checked off in Tubebuddy. King Empire 7129. I know you asked the question. I'm just going to go through this. Hopefully this will be useful to you and whosoever need the help get all your SEO checklists in the green. So let's look at the first thing. They're asking us to upload a high resolution thumbnail. Now what I use to create my thumbnail is usually just taking a picture or taking a snap from the same video that I created, and I'll go straight into Canva, and that's where I'll create my thumbnails. Now usually I go with two rules: make the picture as bright as it can be, and also make the title as bold as it can be. Now Canva is free and it's very easy to use. So now that's my process. I take a snapshot from my video, go to Canva, and I create my high res image. So the next four things they're asking you to add: tags to your titles, to your description, what's your title length, and what's your tag length. All right, so I did create a video on how to use Tubebuddy to add tags and keywords and key phrases. Definitely check that video out. They also recommend that you add caption, and this helps people who are hearing impaired. So for the interactivity section, they recommend you add a card, and that is just to recommend, like for example, I said go check out the video that I posted on tags, and I can just slap a quick link in the video using a card. End screen also helps to optimize videos that you've posted in the past, so definitely take full advantage of that. Add a playlist. I would recommend adding a playlist because it helps to organize your videos. All right, so if you're doing how-to videos, you slap it in the playlist that says how to. I would say get your playlist out there and keep your videos organized. All right, and for the last thing, they're asking you to slap this on Facebook. Now if you have a Facebook account, do that. You'll be surprised. You put a link on Facebook, it populates the video, and people just like it or watch it and even subscribe to your channel. You never know. All right, so that's all I have. Any other question on this particular topic, please let me know, and thank you for watching.